Okay. All right. Just tell him his wife called. Hey, it's me. Are you busy? Okay. Oh, just call us to check in. That's all. All right. Good. Really good. She's still sleeping. She's been sleeping since. Yeah, I got to sleep about an hour, so that was good. Okay. Yes. All right. She's doing great, Brian. Right now, I'm taking a video of the girls cracking up with my father. Oh yeah, yeah. They're sitting in the. Oh yeah, they're playing with them in the den. So, all right. What time are you gonna be home again? 7:30. Oh. Okay, so you'll be home late. Okay. All right. I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.
Okay, here comes another one now. One more? One more? Okay. More?
Yeah.
True. That was a baby one.
No.
You want a bigger one? You want a bigger? Okay, here's a big one. Here's a real big one.